Rust is a car's silent killer. It creeps up slowly, eats away at your frame, weakens your structure, and before you know it, your car's value and safety are gone. Most drivers think washing or waxing is enough, but the truth is, rust prevention is an art, and doing it right can make your car last decades longer. Today, I'll reveal 10 powerful rust prevention secrets that professional detailers and seasoned mechanics swear by. And the best part? Most of these can be done right at home. Stick around till the end, because secret number 10 is the ultimate rust hack almost no one knows. And it's used by off-roaders to keep their trucks spotless for years. Number 1. Wash the undercarriage regularly, the hidden rust zone. Your car's undercarriage is the first place rust begins, and also the one most drivers ignore. Road salt, mud, and grime accumulate underneath, especially during rainy or snowy seasons, trapping moisture against metal surfaces. Once a month, use a pressure washer or drive-through car wash with undercarriage spray to remove debris. Pay special attention to wheel wells, exhaust pipes, and suspension components. If you live near the coast, salt in the air accelerates corrosion even faster, so increase cleaning frequency. Keeping your underbody clean breaks the chain reaction that leads to rust, and it's one of the cheapest ways to make your car last far longer than average. Number 2, apply a quality undercoating or rust-proof spray. A good undercoating acts as a shield between your car's metal and moisture. Many drivers skip this, thinking it's unnecessary, until rust starts eating through their floorboards. Products like fluid film or POR15 form a durable, flexible barrier that seals exposed metal from water, salt, and oxygen. Apply it annually or biannually, focusing on high-risk areas like frame rails, suspension parts, and wheel wells. You can even spray it yourself with a rust-proofing gun. Think of it as armor plating for your vehicle's belly. One small investment that can save you thousands in future repair bills and bodywork. Number 3, touch-up paint chips. Immediately, a tiny paint chip may seem harmless, but once the metal underneath is exposed, it's like an open wound. Water, oxygen, and salt will creep in, starting rust that spreads invisibly under your paint. The fix? Keep a small bottle of factory touch-up paint and clear coat in your garage. Whenever you notice rock chips or scratches, clean the area, apply primer if needed, touch up the color, and seal it. It only takes minutes but can save your panels from expensive rust repair. Prevention is always cheaper than repainting or replacing rusted metal. Number 4, keep your drain holes clear. The secret water escape route. Few people realize that every car door, trunk, and rocker panel has small drain holes at the bottom to let out trapped water. Over time, dirt and debris clog these drains, allowing moisture to collect inside panels, creating the perfect breeding ground for rust. Once a month, open your doors and inspect the lower edges. Use a thin plastic stick, wire, or compressed air to clean out any clogs. You'll be shocked how much dirt and water come out. Keeping drains clear ensures your car dries out naturally instead of rusting from the inside out. Number 5, wax and seal. Your car's paint every 3 months. Wax isn't just about shine, it's a vital line of defense. A good wax or paint sealant creates a water-repellent barrier that prevents moisture, road salt, and pollutants from bonding to your paint. Every 3 months, wash your car thoroughly and apply a layer of high-quality wax or ceramic sealant. It protects your clear coat and minimizes oxidation. If you live in areas with harsh winters, apply an extra coat before the season starts. Regular waxing means rust never even gets the chance to form, because water simply can't stick long enough to do damage. Number 6, avoid parking on grass or dirt surfaces. Parking on grass, soil, or gravel may seem harmless, but it's one of the biggest rust accelerators. Moisture from the ground rises overnight and condenses underneath your car, keeping the metal damp for hours. This constant humidity promotes corrosion, especially on exhaust systems and suspension parts. Whenever possible, park on concrete, asphalt, or use rubber mats under your tires. If you must park outdoors long-term, use a waterproof car cover that allows airflow to prevent moisture buildup. This simple habit can slow down rust formation by years, especially in humid regions. Number 7, Regularly inspect and protect brake and fuel lines. Brake and fuel lines are thin metal tubes often overlooked until it's too late. They're exposed underneath your car and vulnerable to corrosion from road salt and debris. Inspect them every oil change. Look for brownish spots or flaking metal. If they show signs of rust, clean them with a wire brush and apply rust inhibitor spray or protective coating. In severe climates, consider replacing steel lines with copper-nickel alternatives that resist corrosion. Keeping these lines rust-free isn't just about longevity, it's about safety. A rusted brake line can burst unexpectedly and cause catastrophic failure. Number 8. Keep the interior dry and leak-free. Rust doesn't just attack from the outside, it can start inside too. Leaks around windows, door seals, or the sunroof can allow water to seep into your carpets, where it sits unnoticed under the insulation. Over time, it corrodes the floor pan from the inside out. Check your carpets monthly for dampness, and if you notice foggy windows or musty smells, you may have a hidden leak. Use a wet/dry vacuum to remove moisture, then fix the seal immediately. Keeping your car's interior bone dry ensures the floor and seat mounts don't rust prematurely. Number 9. Use rust converter on early spots immediately. If you spot small rust patches on your car, don't wait. Rust spreads like cancer if ignored. A rust converter chemically transforms active rust into a hard, paintable surface. Products like Loctite Rust Neutralizer or Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer are lifesavers for stopping corrosion early. Clean the affected area, sand lightly, apply the converter, and seal it with primer and paint once cured. Doing this immediately halts rust progression and prevents the need for panel replacement. Catching rust in its infancy is the key difference between a $15 DIY fix and a $1,500 body shop repair. Number 10. The hidden trick. Apply used engine oil to underside metal parts. Here's the old-school secret mechanics and off-roaders swear by: lightly coating metal parts underneath your car with used engine oil. Sounds crazy? It works. The thin film of oil repels water, salt, and dirt like a natural rust barrier. Simply wipe or brush a small amount onto exposed metal sections like leaf springs, axles, or frame rails. Just avoid rubber parts or exhaust components. This DIY rust protection method is cheap, effective, and lasts months longer than many sprays. Farmers and truckers have been doing it for decades because it just works. Rust might be inevitable, but how fast it spreads is 100% in your control. By following these 10 rust prevention secrets, you can make your car last for decades, look newer for longer, and avoid thousands in unnecessary repairs. Which of these tricks are you already doing? Tell me in the comments below. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Care Xpert, and share it with someone whose car is already starting to rust. Stay sharp, drive clean, and remember, a rust-free car is a car that truly lasts forever.